friends, welcome back, and I'm sure you all are doing great. Today I'm going to share the wonderful course with all of you, right? This is the perfect digital marketing course for beginners, right? So the beginners who wanted to master the digital marketing step by step from the beginning, this is a wonderful course for you. That course is nothing but Eminent Digital Academy's Conquer Digital Marketing course. It is a certified digital marketing training program. It's a certified digital marketing online course. Okay. And now let me tell you what and all we are going to cover in this particular online course. Okay. The first one is we are going to teach you what is digital marketing. From the basic, what is digital marketing? Then why digital marketing is required. Okay. Why you need to do digital marketing for your business. Then the scope, the career opportunities in digital marketing. Then the digital marketing strategies, okay, the real strategies in the digital marketing which will actually give you the best result. So all those strategies we are covering in this particular program. Then what is search engine optimization? In the last two videos I was talking about search engine optimization, why you need SEO for your business. Okay, in this training program I am going to guide you what is exactly search engine optimization, how you can do SEO. Doing SEO is not that easy, right? You need to have right strategies. So in my training program, I'll be guiding you how to do search engine optimization. Then what is on-page optimization? What is off-page optimization? All these important steps and strategies in SEO I'm guiding in this particular certification course. Then social media marketing, okay? Social media marketing, how to do the social media marketing. How to do Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, Twitter marketing, LinkedIn marketing. Okay, so all this major social medias we are covering in our training program. Then the last one is the web analytics. Okay, after doing all the digital marketing strategies, how can you actually measure the result? Okay, so measuring the result is easy in digital media, right? We have a lot of tools available. So by using different tools, how can you actually measure the result from the digital marketing? So all these things I am guiding in this particular training program. It's an online certification course. Now let me show you how to subscribe for this certification course. For this you need to go to eminentdigitalacademy.com, our website www.eminentdigitalacademy.com. I am going to guide you through the process right now. Let's check out. So in your browser type www.eminentdigitalacademy.com. Okay, so once you go to eminentdigitalacademy.com, click the menu courses. Then you can see all our courses here. From this, choose digital marketing online certification course. Then you can see the course listed here with all the modules, module 1, module 2, module 3, all the modules listed, what exactly we are covering in this particular program. And towards the right side you can see buy this course option. Click on this and then there is an option register login. If you're already registered with our website, then log in here. If you're not registered, there is an option. If you're a new member, new to Eminent Digital Academy, click on the sign up. And then there is an option, then sign up here. After finishing the sign up, again come to the website courses page, buy the course, then login like we have seen in the previous screen. Say login here, then it will take you through the process. So this is how you can subscribe for our digital marketing course. Okay, that's wonderful, and I'm sure you understood how to subscribe for our training program Conquer Digital Marketing. So register for this training program and really conquer digital marketing. I wish you all the very best and fantastic weekend. Thank you so much and take charge.